and I walked and I tripped. And then Sam falls. Sam, do you have a I fell down the stairs.
She falls down those stairs and she hits the chest with her feet, so it makes an even louder sound. My mom, Sam, do you have a problem walking downstairs or something? That wasn't me. Who was it? It was Alexis. Jeez. What's wrong with you?
It's gonna deal with me stir therapy.
She fucking blames me for everything.
God, my spinal cord's gonna fall out.
Right.
It hurts. What?
I don't get anything.
Oh my
My
God,
spinal cord's just gonna go, and I'm gonna be like,
we'll be like,
and then the predator
we'll just like kick you. We'll just kick you and
all of a sudden I just go,
we'll kick you in the back. She's like, Clancy, Clancy, Clancy.
all of a sudden I just go, but like all of a sudden the predator from Alien vs Predator comes along and picks up my spinal cord. I'd be like,
And then
so that's
me and
where all the
Sam
spinal cords go.
I'm not leaving my house.
Back,
I'll throw
you
her out in the
bastard!
snow.
We'll just throw you out in the snow. I'd be like sitting there flopping for an hour.
And I fly back there, then some random people will go by.
Was that on a video like that whole time?
Yeah.
They'll
No,
scoop me up
we'll
with
show
a
her
shovel.
body down by the slide and some random like family and their kids.
I'll be like,
and look like Clancy at the bottom.
I'll be like, hey guys!
No, because me and Sam
Can you help me out? Can we take me to a hospital?
No, we were sitting there at my table, and then all of a sudden these kids come up and start playing on my playset. And we look, and they finally realize we've been looking at them, and they just like sprint. I'm like,
And then they got mad at their mom.
yeah.
And we're looking, and then they're walking their dog, and we're just
And
like,
then she tripped on my cat's puke. I thought it was Kool-Aid.
it's an honest mistake. Anyone can make it.
Actually,
Not really.
I stepped out of my bed.
If it's chunky and nasty color, that's puke.
I stepped out of my bed
Kool-Aid is
Thursday
like
morning.
red and like,
It was red.
I stepped out. No,
like
it was
that or
purple.
Sorry, it was purple.
Jeez.
Is it chunky?
So no, it was just like liquid. And okay,
I wish I could throw up like that.
so she's like, or no, on Thursday morning I wake up and I step out of my bed and I just stepped in cat puke. I was like,
That's a nice way to wake up. Everyone comes in your room, oh, Sam's gonna be bitchy today, let's go.
no, I was just like, and then I just like left. And I didn't tell my parents, so that when they finally like decided that, when they finally noticed, yeah, it was a while ago. That was
I love gushers. I used to hate them when I was younger.
I was just I remember one time I just squirted in my eye.
I remember
It was so
one time this kid named JJ, me and him were sitting on a couch and he drank a whole bottle of Mountain Dew and then he burped the ABCs.
What does that have to do with gushers?
I don't know. Gushers made me think of nothing. Never mind. That would have been really perverted.
A ball? Ball?
How great is this?
What the hell? And the pickle.
It's a pig! It's a pickle in a bag! It's a pickle in a pouch.
Yeah.
It's a pickle in a pouch. I've had some of those before. What the hell?
They're really yummy.
No, we were playing this exchange game at
White
Christmas.
Elephant?
Yeah.
No, with like bingo and stuff, and then you pick a present in the middle, and you open it, and you get to like trade presents and shit. And I got a videotape, but it had $20 in the videotape.
Yeah.
And I didn't know that till after. Then my cousin opened up pickles in a pouch, and nobody traded with her, so she just kind of left them here.
Go
We got
shoot.
pickles. Pouches.
You have a ball. Not two, just one.
What?
You'll go the second one someday.
What?
Dude, seriously?
That's the size of Aaron's dick. It's growing. It's not mature yet. That's too big for Aaron's.
No, it's dark chocolate.
Oh God. Well, who's the nigger with this dick?
It's only that big.
No! Who's mine?
I have a 12-inch.
There's a party in his pants. Milk chocolate. That's milk chocolate. He's half white, half black. It's like a Halle Berry, but a man. Just like Halle Berry, but a man.
Anyone got a cardboard box? Yes.
Oh, why don't you
better
get
get
that
that one
empty?
first.
Yeah, probably in there. Oh my God, Scott's got this huge thing from his stereo. Like this huge box. I was gonna go sledding. Not really, but it would have been fun.
You're gonna go with me, man. I'm telling you.
What's that for?
Oh
my
God! Clancy! Hang on. The pictures are too valuable for you. I'm sorry. They cost more than your
Don't
life.
hit me! Oh my God, Sam.
She's gonna break her head with it.
She's gonna break the basket.
She like fell into
I want that camera so they all know you guys murdered me.
Get this on camera.
Wait for it. Okay. Go. Go. Don't hit me.
Grape hit me.
Oh my God. Oh, I think I broke my shoulder.
You like fucking, this thing went way over here and I caught it and then your basket flew up in the air and it hit me on the hip.
Oh my
And
God.
then this
I hurt like a bitch.
Yeah, this grape.
Oh, I'm like shaking. That's
Don't do it again. That's a sign.
It's out of my pants.
The next time God's not gonna save you. Oh!
Look what you did to it. What you did to it. I can't. Look what you did. I can't breathe.
Okay, well if you feel guilty, go to the bathroom.
I pretty much almost just peed my pants there. I can't tell if I can. No. No.
Oh, I think I broke my shoulder, but I'm not gonna be able to feel it for another day.
Yeah, one time my cousin had the flu on Christmas.
Anyone else want to go?
My cousin had the flu on Christmas.
Oh, the third
So we locked him in the bathroom with a walkie-talkie.
Well.